In my first tip, I'm going to show you how to restrict other users changing your desktop wallpaper. So this is my desktop wallpaper. If any other user access picture and right click on the picture and set it as a desktop background, it will change automatically from your favorite desktop wallpaper. To stop this and to restrict other users changing your desktop wallpaper, we need to create a registry hack to prevent others changing the desktop background. To do this, first we have to open Windows Registry Editor. So first press Start menu and here type Registry Editor. In the Registry Editor, go to H key current user and there open software, and in there open Microsoft and Windows, and in the Windows open current version. In the current version open policies. In the policies you have to create a new key under policies. Right click on the policies, select new key, give the name as system, press enter. In the right side create a new string. So I'm going to right click on here, select new string value. The string value of the name is wallpaper. So this is the string I created in the system key. The string value data will be is the path of our image file. So I'm going to open my favorite image. So this is my I like this image very much, so I'm going to select it and I'm going to copy the path by using the home tab menu. So I'm going to select copy path and I'm going to paste it in the value data, and remember, remove quotation marks. So I'm going to remove the quotations, click OK, and here I created a system key in the policies and I created a string wallpaper with the value of my image location. Just restart your PC to check back what happened. After restarting the PC, you can see your desktop wallpaper is changed automatically, and if you want to change your wallpaper by right clicking on any other image, select set as desktop background. See, nothing is changed. So we prevented other users changing the desktop wallpaper by using a registry key. In my second tip, I am going to show you how to hide the disk drives using Windows Registry Editor. Open the Windows Registry Editor by pressing the Start menu and typing Registry Editor. Here, go to H key local machine. In the H key local machine, open Software. In the Software, expand Microsoft, expand Windows, go to current version, locate Policies. Here you can see, select Explorer. In the Explorer, in the right side, create a new D-word value. The D-word value will be the no drives, N capital and D capital. Press enter. So we have to hide the drives values by decimal numbers of these drives. So here the decimal values of the all drives. So here I'm going to hide this E drive. So E drive decimal value will be 16. So I'm going to type in the no drives value data, change this base to decimal, in the value data to 16. Click OK. So just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can see the E drive is hidden from the devices and drives. To unhide this, just delete the no drives D-word value and restart your PC to see the effect. In the third tip, I am going to show you how to clear the run history. Here you can see in the run history, you can see all the search history is located in the drop down menu. So I am going to clear the entire run history using Windows Registry Editor. Open Windows Registry Editor from the run, type REGEDEAT, click OK. Locate H key current user. In the H key current user, go to Software. In the Software, open Microsoft and Windows and current version. Go to Explorer. In the Explorer, locate Run MRU. Run MRU key. Select it. In the right side, you can see the string values A, B, C, D, E. These are the search history of run. Here you can see the string values are located in the drop down menu. So just delete one by one. Here you can see the run history is cleared. In the fourth tip, I am going to show you how to disable this 3D object from this PC. Here I am going to locate H key local machine and in there open Software and open Microsoft and open Windows. In the Windows, expand current version. In the current version, go to Explorer, and in the Explorer, go to My Computer. In the My Computer, you can see the namespace. Just expand the namespace. Here you can see all the namespaces of these in the sidebar, these 3D objects, desktop, documents, downloads. So we need to delete this second one, that is 0DB7E03F, this key. So I'm going to right click on here and delete it to delete the 3D objects from File Explorer. So I'm going to restart the PC. After restarting your PC, you can see there is no 3D objects in this PC option and File Explorer. So we can delete the 3D objects option from this PC using Windows Registry Editor. In this step, I'm going to add copy to move to options in the right click menu. So here you can see when I'm right clicking on any file, here you can see the send to option with a drop down list of devices where the file must be sent to. So we can also add copy to and move to options in this right click menu. So I'm going to open Windows Registry Editor, open HK classes root. Here expand all file system objects. In the all file system objects, expand selects. In the shell X, open context menu handlers. In the context menu handlers, you can see the namespace is added as a send to. This is the key which are used in the send to option when you right click on any file or folder. So we are going to add copy to and move to options in the right click menu handlers, that is context menu handlers. In this context menu handlers, right click on the context menu handlers, create a new key. The key name will be copy to. So in the copy to, there is a default string. I'm going to double click on the default string. I'm going to give the value data, that is simplifies copy to option in this string. So these are the string values for the copy to and move to. So I'm going to copy this string and I'm going to paste it on the value. Click OK. So here you can see the default string value changed to this value. And next I'm going to right click on the context menu handler again. I'm going to select new key. This time I'm going to give the name move to. So in the move to, I'm going to give the value from the notepad. Here the move to string value is, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it on the value data. Click OK. Here you can see the copy to move to options are added in the context menu handlers. But now we need to restart the PC to see the effect in the right click menu. After restarting your PC, you can see when you right click on any file or folder, there is extra options, that is copy to folder and move to folder. These are the right click menu options we are created using Windows Registry Editor. When you click on copy to folder, it will show us the locations of a path where you can copy the file or folder which is you selected. You can simply copy the file, or you can simply move the file by using the copy to move to options. If you don't want to copy to move to options in the right click menu, you just simply delete these two key values from the Registry Editor and restart your PC to see that those two options are gone from the right click menu. Now for the tip number 6, this is the best tip and very useful tip for everyone. We are going to remove these small arrow icons for the shortcut files in the desktop. So I'm going to open Windows Registry Editor by using the start menu. Expand HK classes root. In the HK classes root, we have to find a key that is link file, that is LNK file. So I'm going to press L on my keyboard. Here the keys are go to the L letter. In the L letter we can see LNK file, link file. I'm going to select this link file. In the right side you can see there are strings. In these strings we have to change one string and we have to rename it, that is E shortcut. So I'm going to right click on here and select rename, and in this rename section we are going to add underscore world. Click enter. Here you can see E shortcut is renamed to E shortcut underscore world. Now if we need to restart our PC to see the effect. Here you can see after restarting our PC, the small arrow icons are disappeared in the shortcut files of our desktop. I can simply rename the E shortcut underscore world to E shortcut to bring back the arrow keys for the shortcut files. In the beginning of the video, you all see the Windows search box is floating in the middle of the desktop like an Apple search option. So we can change this Windows search to float in the middle of the desktop by using a Windows Registry Editor. I'm going to expand HKey current user and software and Microsoft, and in the Microsoft open Windows and current version. In the current version locate search. So here is the search key. In the right side we have to create a new dword value. So I'm going to right click on here, new dword. The name of the dword value will be immersive search. So I'm created a new dword value. So I'm going to double click on here and give the value to 1 to enable the immersive search option in the search. Expand search. In the search box you can see the flighting up key. In the flighting key we need to create a new key under flighting. So I'm going to right click on the flighting, select new, and I'm going to create a new key, that is the name is override. In the right side I'm going to right click on here, select new and dword value. The name of the dword value is immersive search full. Set the value to 0. No need to restart here. It is already accepted in the small size floating box in our desktop. For the tip number 8, we are going to enable seconds in our time clock. So I'm going to open the Windows Registry Editor. In the Windows Registry Editor, go to HKey current user and software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, select advanced, go to the right side. In the right side we have to create a new dword value. So I'm going to select new, right click on here, select new dword value. The dword name is show seconds in system clock. Double click on the dword and give the value 1 to enable the dword value. So click OK and restart your PC to see the seconds in your system clock. Here you can see the seconds are added in your clock. To remove the seconds, just delete the show seconds in system clock dword value in the advanced key. Now we are going to move tip number 9. In the tip number 9, we are going to hold the Windows 10 updates as long as you want. So here you can see in the settings menu, in the update and security, you can see we can pause the updates for 7 days, or in the advanced settings you can see temporarily pause updates on this device for up to 35 days. We can also increase the 35 days limit to any number of days by using Windows Registry Editor. First, open the Windows Registry Editor. We're going to locate HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows Update. In the Windows Update, we are going to open UX. In the UX, we are going to select settings key. So after selecting the settings key, in the right side, we have to create a new dword. So I'm going to right click on here, select new dword. The name of the dword is flight settings max pause days. Press enter. So this is the dword name. I'm going to give the value, the number of days as a value for this dword. So I'm going to double click on here. First we have to change the base hexadecimal to decimal and give the value as like 120 days. So I'm going to give the value 120. Click OK, and after restarting your PC you can see the maximum pass dates must be 120. You can see the temporarily pass updates installed on the device for 120 days. We can do this by any number of days without updating your Windows 10. For the final tip of the day, we are going to just turn off the lock screen using Windows Registry Editor. Open the Windows Registry Editor. In the Windows Registry Editor, go to HKey local machine. In the HKey local machine, go to software. In the software, open policies. In the policies, select Microsoft, and in the Microsoft, select Windows. In the Windows, we are going to create a new key. So I'm going to right click on the Windows and select new key. The key name is personalization. In the right side we are going to create a new dword value. So I'm going to right click on here, new dword value. The dword name is no lock screen. I'm going to enable it by giving the value 1 by double clicking on here. Give the value data 1 to enable the no lock screen option in the Windows 10. Click OK. After restarting your PC, there is no lock screen in your Windows 10.